access easier. Open the printer cover. Depending on the design, you may need to remove screws or clips that hold the top or side cover in place. Keep track of screws to avoid losing them. Disconnect internal components. If necessary, carefully disconnect any internal components or wiring that may be attached to the plastic case. Take pictures to remember where everything goes. Remove the old plastic case. Once all screws are removed and internal components are disconnected, gently lift off the old plastic case. Be cautious not to force it, as some clips may still be holding it in place. Install the new plastic case. Position the new plastic case onto the printer. Make sure all clips align properly and that it fits snugly. Reconnect internal components. Replace all screws and ensure that the case is securely attached. Double-check all connections to ensure nothing is loose.